विजाओ तो ऑफसाइड पे इंटरव्यू के वास्ते.
Hey,
Hey, Amit.
hey, I'm Mohan. How are you doing today?
Yeah, I'm doing good.
Okay, this is my resume. I couldn't take a print. I just written my resume. That's
Oh. Please be seated.
sure.
Can you tell me about yourself?
My name is Mohan Rapali. I did electronics and engineering from IIT Delhi.
Indian Institute of Technology.
No, Ishita Institute of Technology.
I never heard about it.
Even I never heard of it until I joined. That is the only college in India who could take me with my marks.
Oh, you have written you took 6 years to complete your engineering?
Yeah, unfortunately, all exam coincide with cricket matches. So these should really, should be banned. In second year I failed twice. So
Oh, good to know that.
This should be banned by all means.
Oh, good to know that you want cricket matches to be banned.
Who said cricket matches? I want exams to be banned during cricket.
Oh. So, can you tell me what is the biggest achievement in your life?
Obviously, computing engineering, man. Completing engineering is not easy.
So,
You know what?
Uh-huh.
While I failed second year twice, my mom started looking for an RTC job. Then finally I could complete engineering. So, the
Oh,
biggest achievement.
really? So, do you have any plans for higher study?
Come on, completing lower education is so difficult.
So, don't you want to change the world like Steve Jobs, dent the world?
I wish I could, but I did not get the source code for the world. I want to change the world, but no source code.
Okay, so on which all platforms you have worked till now?
Yeah, while going, I had some work, so I was working on Secunderabad platform, sometimes Kachigura too, and Jamia Osmania sometimes.
Fair enough. So, what all languages do you know?
I know Punjabi, Hindi, Telugu, and I can be silent on German, French.
Good. So, can you speak German fast?
Obviously, German.
Okay, tell me why VC is better than VB?
Good question. A, B, C. D follows A, C follows B. So, in the sequence, obviously, C comes after B. So, VC should be better.
Oh, brilliant.
So, I heard Microsoft is looking for VD.
Oh, really? Okay. So, can you tell me what is assembly language?
That's the same thing which our MLS use, right? In our assembly.
Oh, brilliant. So, explain 2-tier and 3-tier architecture.
Simple. Any vehicle works or runs on 2 tires is 2 tire. Any vehicle runs on 3 tires like auto rickshaw is 3 tire.
Oh,
10 tire
clear.
is any other vehicle like 4. More than that, like big lorry.
Oh, smart answer. Okay, let's say I want to transfer 10 objects to remoting server. What is the methodology I should follow?
So objects, right? So use courier. Blue Dart is better. You get technology.
Oh, really? Okay. So, let's say, can I modify the objects using remoting?
Your wish, man. You don't have to take my approval.
Okay, can you tell me how to communicate between two threads?
You have to understand basics. Two non-living things can never communicate.
Excellent. Okay, can you explain the difference between process and threads?
Simple. Threads are single threads. You tie them and create a rope. That is the process.
Wow. Okay, what is a jar file?
Oh, jar. Usually it's used to store mango pickles, gooseberry. These days, non-veg also, I believe.
Oh, I like mango pickle, by the way. What is a serialization?
Simple. When you have crowd, you make them stand in a queue. It's serialization.
Okay, list 5 words that describe you.
Brainless, careless, useless, jobless, and hopeless.
Very
So these
good.
are all what my mom calls me.
Nice to hear. Okay, what are your expectations from our company?
Simple. I'm very modest. I require at least 50K per month.
Dollar
on
or
hand.
rupees?
Just rupees
Oh,
on hand.
That's very
Not on
modest.
paper.
Oh,
I need 50K. Take home.
oh, okay.
Next thing is I hate dress code. I like to come in the way I like. Usually in summer I prefer lungis. And most importantly, I hate deadlines. Deadlines kill talent. Do you agree? You should not have deadlines. It will kill talent. You'll always think about when to complete but not using your talent. And of course, as a cricket fan, I would like to go to on-site at least thrice a year, and that should match with cricket matches.
Yeah, you seems to be very modest. So, do you have any question for me?
Yes, I saw Falaknuma is better. Why can't your company relocate here?
Why can't we relocate Falaknuma to high-tech city?
Your wish. You have to work with HR, not me.
Okay. Any other question?
I have one. I think I'll ask you. I'll test your intelligence if you're fit to take me or not.
Uh-huh.
You have buffalo, you have cow.
Mm-hmm.
Cow gives milk, buffalo also gives milk.
Mm-hmm.
You call cow as ma, and buffalo not mausi or not chachi. What is this discrimination?
Yeah, I think I never thought about it. It's really a color discrimination.
Only clever people like me get that idea.
Oh. Okay, so I have completed all the technical questions. So let me ask you, like, India-Pakistan series is going on. So whom do you think will win the series?
Obviously, I want India to win, but Pakistan will win.
What the hell you are talking about? India's Shikhar Dhawan, Rohit Sharma, MS Dhoni, Virat Kohli. पाकिस्तान के पास क्या है?
Umpires.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
So yeah, I have completed your interview. Any other question?
Why are you
Hello?
working, man? You should do a business, man. You will grow faster.
Yeah, let me think about it.
Okay. Anyways, am I selected?
Yeah, you are very smart. You are like once in a million, and you have answer for everything.
And last rule is I want to only work on latest technology. That's Pega. Nothing else.
Yeah, and you are very modest also.
Thank
You are
you.
Selected.
Good job, guys.
Thank you.